Hi, this is Chef Mitesh from Tango Tamari restaurant in Juhu, Mumbai. I'm going to be doing the Hamachi Tiradito. We'll be using red radish, green Persian cucumber. We'll be using a salsa, which we'll make with fresh green and red jalapenos. We'll also be using some lemon, some truffle oil, some pickled ginger brine, some chives, and our signature tamari emulsion. First things first, most important part is the fish itself. We will have to slice it. So make sure that you use a sashimi grade fish. You can use salmon or tuna as well. So our fish is ready. Slice up our cucumber. You can even use your knife and slice it thin if you want. It's like this. So now we'll start plating the dish. Essentially, it's a bunch of assembly that you end up doing for this dish. What we'll do at the bottom is we will lay out the cucumber, the thinly sliced cucumber. Just take some of that brine. It's nice. It has a little acid. It already has a lot of ginger flavor. Now what we'll do is we'll start arranging the fish on this. This is just for a little presentation. This is a salsa that we have made. This salsa essentially has 4 main ingredients, that is extra virgin olive oil, green jalapenos, red jalapenos, and some scallion or green onions essentially. That's the main flavor. Put some around the ring. So it's very simple, right? It's just a ring that you want to put on top. And this is the main flavor that goes on top. We just put it on top of the dish. Final scheme, we sprinkle some chives, a couple of slices of lime to finish the way it looks, a little hint of white truffle oil, which is to give it that final flourish, which you don't may put and keep, you put it right at the end. Some edible flowers to make it look good. This is the final dish, our special Hamachi Tiradito.